Davy. Davy Brown. It's a so that to miss that. Hello family, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cooking with Sindako. So on this episode of Cooking with Sindako, I have a guest on the show, and this personality is making wave on Facebook, especially TikTok. Yeah, social media, TikTok. Like she has a kind of video that releases stress. You want to put that show, you can check it out. Yeah, so I call my guest, Madam Pocho, can you come in? Yeah. What goes that? Cool. Yeah. So this is my guest. What's your name?
So my name is Lily, and everyone knows me as I'm a Brown.
I'm a Brown.
Yeah.
Okay. I think I have a different name. I'm a lifestyle or something.
Yeah, I'm a lifestyle when it comes to social media. Yeah, exactly. So, like on TikTok, I'm a lifestyle, and on YouTube, I'm a lifestyle too.
Too, okay.
Yes, please.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, so this is Sister Amma. You know, Sister Amma Brown. What's your name, baby?
Bachebe beans ni koko.
Beans ni koko.
Bachai, one of my favorites.
Favorites, huh?
Bachai, yeah.
Bachai you cook gari, beans koko you cook gari.
You cook gari, yeah. Uban in crime lion.
Yeah. But do the gari can as a gari can.
But gari can be bia can, bibia can.
Squad dinner.
Oh, bibia can. E pair crack can.
Hey,
bibia can.
Wow. Okay, so we shall win the best start you are today. Okay, but you know ingredients in your body. What do you mean ingredients?
The main ingredient in here. Black eye beans.
Okay.
For stew, no.
Okay.
You be use tomatoes.
Okay.
Me prefer a cherry dear no kitten no because the menu yam the kakranti no. Yeah, internet no. Me chucha no kitten kama. Open so bet me a blending. Ni nyina depend yeah onion, red onions.
Okay.
And salted fish.
Momoni,
yeah. And rosemary.
Okay.
And meko, yeah, pepper kakra. And basilic.
Okay, basilic.
Yeah, and no for stew, no.
Okay.
Stew no so mackerel so kahon.
Okay.
But over to me use any type of fish yeah. For spices, no. Yeah, was salt and all-purpose seasoning.
Okay.
And a pepper. Na afe we yeah, palm oil.
Red oil.
Yeah, bibie wia. Yeah, de be kan wa ma na complete no. Yeah, plantain, yeah. Red. Yeah, you can red. And gari. And also optional. Opa now do become open so. Yeah.
We sent to ingredients in a very simple and uncomplicated. You're uncomplicated, a very simple thing to know.
This is medinsio kakregu pan nimo.
And a book once I would be listening.
Me bacha no bacha dey be. Ye the way sisu no. You bet to me I started with the stew no.
Okay.
Bacha yeah. In the stew no me dey
red oil no.
Red oil no e be sisu. Until after 2 minutes no bet me dey mekono
Pepper no.
bacha pepper no. Yeah dey. Kakono so. Aye, and also akaho. Beans no so. Oh, kakra. Sisia. Insu no, yeah, insu na eshimti no. Yeah, be transfer near the egu. We no say. Memfa nchine engu mu sisia. Yes, like a bean.
Okay.
Na me di nchine na egu. You know, Jen and Mama na brown kakra.
Okay. Well, I say chi.
But I
am going
to yes.
Okay.
This year, dear. The way say, no, yeah, watching, you know, a bit to me, tomatoes, no. Okay. Now, you know, no kakra.
Okay.
Now, a fed a jar, ama. Nesiso.
Okay.
Yeah. mackerel no.
Okay.
Me use ni oil no ntino yeah nti.
We sure you.
But me hwe egu sen. Wa fa plate na. We hwe egu. Yeah.
Such a emia.
Okay.
Just like a fancy.
Nti
the press now. And the fancy do make sure to go for no.
The way I for no see no.
Okay. And how many minutes no need to do?
Around 10 minutes.
Okay.
10 minutes bisa.
You just want to go no.
Yeah. But you bet me dey. Mackerel no. Egum. Yeah. Mackerel no so dodo a ope bia no. Obet me use. Yeah. So we num here that say me a. Last ingredients na ka ho.
Okay. Rosemary.
Rosemary, yeah.
Okay.
Like herbs ni nyama. Nti ya be man susu kakra na fe de ya kaya no ahwe for nchine no because of say ye din
momoni too.
Nti me de pepper no nso.
Okay.
Be kan na nyina. Any my come on.
Yeah, colorful.
Yes.
Yeah, colorful stew.
Yes. Yes. Made in Ghana. Ghana. No abuas.
Okay.
Say beans no so be check. E wo ma na we nunu. Akra. So pepper. Okay. Tino send e be ya beans ni be being fast no. So bet me use so etwitwa onion saying na odi what slicing the come na odi e go inside. Tambia no na wenunum kakra na fedia wakata so na aben
Well, no, okay, but can we be crying on me?
No,
because I tell my part of the canal.
me no hear that. Ndi me come no hwe no, chisia aben, e na mutumi hu so say enim no aye dark kama. Nti anything. Ubetwa ha no. Na wetwa ha. Siano, yeah, maybe you use vegetable oil, it's pure vegetable oil. Midi enchine no ebe gumu na esisu kakra.
Okay.
Yeah. Kakra bi. Koko no ma fanchine gumu. Muti de we see
What are the means in ben chechos?
Beans no total of 45 minutes. Until starting any ending no meaning now 45 minutes. Mechi we are na medinchine na gumu.
Davy Brown. It's a so that to me sit down. Yeah, we share the end of friendly. This time I'm brown. You know, I'm a lifestyle. Or the hand beans no cocoa. Beans. Beans no cocoa no one. Or that be that. When you on your uncle ten so. You skemiches be already na. Skemiches. Your friends skemiches. Pie already. Pie avocado. Na pie kwa nibo food about. Avocado. Okay. It's avocado pie. Wow. Pie. Na both eyes no body. Garina, like you there? No, I didn't hear. Very nice. And it's been easy crampona. The way I tell crash there. Very nice. It's been the me and come more so then. It's my factor and I am factor. No, better. I'm for folk. You are for folk. You want to know? I'm gonna try this shot. Oh no, try now. I am that my water. Yeah. Wow. If I got you one.
Bam. It's over mixy baby.
Whoa. 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 Whoa.
You better some baby and you're just seeing me see.
What was that chocolate say? Yeah. Was dope. MOMONI no. Wow. That's MOMONI flavor no. Wow. Hey, man, guy. You are there. Therefore, very dope. But simple ingredients too, simple steps. But results nobody, you know, I'm from my results.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, if you don't have some, I hope they will move steps in there. Very simple steps. You know, can now see you be if you quarantine season away. Feel happy with you. Yeah. It's the first time I share. Click on the red button, subscribe to YouTube channel, and turn notification bell. So be a notification anytime I do video. I'm a lifestyle. TikTok, YouTube.
Yeah, I'm a lifestyle. TikTok, YouTube. Yeah, and I'm a brown. Facebook. Yeah, me want me page ankasa. Both I'm a brown. Yeah, but we want to back your page and about normal.
Okay. Check it out. Go to your page. You want to subscribe to the page. Your friends saying the Facebook is to follow. Give a like. We share a video. Like a very nice video, Bushian. Very nice video. Check it out. Just in shape. Yeah. Cool. Thank you once again. Thank you once again. So.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
But it's Benny a guy.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you.
One.